How to fix WhatsApp verification code. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then scroll down, go to the apps manager, go to the apps here. Now on this page you will need to wait a few seconds and it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll down like this. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, scroll down until you find WhatsApp, as you can see right here. Click on it, and now all what you have to do is just click here on force stop. After that, all what you have to do is just go down to the power usage details and click here on force stop again, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Now restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe.